Take a look at the ice from your freezer. It's cloudy, it's full of cracks, and it melts way too fast, watering down your favorite drink. You might think this is just how ice is, but what if I told you that the secret to making perfectly clear cocktail bar quality ice at home isn't about using special water or boiling it twice, it's just simple physics. First, let's understand why your ice is cloudy. It's not dirt, it's trapped air bubbles and impurities. When a standard ice tray freezes, it freezes from all sides at once, top, bottom, and sides, trapping air and minerals in the middle, creating that murky, brittle core. The secret to crystal clear ice is to control the direction of the freezing process. Think about a lake in winter. It freezes from the top down, pushing all the air and impurities downwards, which is why the ice on top is so clear. We're going to replicate that exact process right inside your freezer. All you need is a small insulated cooler or esky that can fit inside your freezer. The insulation is the key. Step 1. The setup. Take the lid off your little cooler. This is important as it allows the cold air to only hit the top surface of the water. Step 2. The fill. Just fill the cooler about 3/4 full of regular tap water. You do not need filtered, distilled, or boiled water. That's a myth. The process itself is what purifies the ice. Step 3. The freeze. Carefully place the open cooler into your freezer for about 18 to 24 hours. The insulation on the sides and bottom will force the water to freeze slowly, from the top down, just like that lake. This process systematically pushes all the air bubbles and impurities down into the bottom of the block. Step 4. The harvest. Take the cooler out and let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes to loosen up. Turn it upside down and a large block of ice should slide out. You'll see a miracle. The top part of the block will be perfectly clear, and the bottom will be a smaller, cloudy section containing all the trapped air. Simply use a serrated knife or an ice pick to carefully score and break off that cloudy bit, discarding it. What you're left with is a beautiful, dense, and crystal clear block of ice, which you can cut into large, perfect cubes that will melt slower, look stunning, and keep your drink tasting exactly as it should. If this guide just seriously upgraded your cocktail game, give this video a like. And for more secrets that blend science with everyday life, make sure you subscribe to another how-to guru. Cheers to better drinks.